They say you are just a loser. And I said, I'm a time bomb. Just wait for my explosion.